Yeah.
I was wondering if you can give me a. This is silly to ask, but can you give me a girlfriend?
No, that's not real diamond.
What the fuck, mom?
It's a real diamond, as far as I know.
Okay, guys, so we're going to Dillard's right now. I don't know what we're about to do, but we're at the mall. Also, I got my professional filmer. Show them you. Gabe. Yeah. So, yeah, I got a fake iPhone right here, and I got a fake watch. Oh no, I dropped the watch. I got a fake watch and a fake iPhone, so you know. Let's go do something. Oh, another good, amazing day in Spencer's. Oh, you know what I could do? Okay, let's go over here. Let's figure this out.
Huh? You already know it's Self-Made Slim for Money Back Squad. Go follow our YouTube. You dig? Slap.
Yay! Oh my god, Santa. Oh my god. I was wondering.
What are you doing?
I'm doing good. I was wondering.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I was wondering if you can give me a. This is silly to ask, but can you give me a girlfriend?
No, there's something you got to do for yourself.
I have to do that by myself.
You got to do that by yourself. And why do you think that's so hard?
It's just they don't like me.
You sure they don't like you, or maybe you're just shy?
I can be a little shy sometimes.
Okay, well, see, that makes it different. See, Santa was shy once upon a time. Hard to believe, huh? Yeah, girls they can be really scary. Even at my age, they can be scary because you know what it is? You're afraid of being rejected, aren't you?
Yeah.
Just remember now, Santa learned this when he was 21. Every girl you see that you want to ask out, okay?
Okay.
Now, 9 may say no, but 1 says yes. And that's all you need is 1, right?
Thank you, Santa.
So, okay.
Thank you.
Have a Merry Christmas.
You too. Thank you.
Vlogging no more, or what's going on?
Huh?
You're vlogging?
Oh, it's at my house.
Alright.
Oh, I was just gonna see if you can see if this had real diamonds in it.
No, that's not real diamond.
How do you know?
I can tell.
Are you serious?
Why though? I can tell. This one?
How are you doing? What do you need help
Oh,
for?
I was gonna see if like that would like have like real diamonds in it.
Oh, okay. Real diamond can take a little. You want that, man? Okay. You want to wear it now or?
Yeah, I'm gonna put them in here.
Okay.
Cool, man. Screw bags, you know, you'll not lose it too.
Wait,
See what I'm saying?
what?
$30 will charge to test the diamond.
$30?
Yeah.
Well, I don't have any money.
Hey, did you phone it somewhere or?
No, my dad bought it for me for my birthday.
But these are something nice, okay? Even happy for you.
I just wanted to make sure.
It's a real diamond, as far as I know.
But I thought
This is for you.
I thought you just said it was fake diamond.
Yeah, that's not real diamond. It's a real diamond, as far as I know.
But so is it real or fake?
Not real.
Really?
Might not be real. It's a real diamond, as far as I know.
Wait, hang on. Wait, so is it real or not?
I can taste it for you. It costs $30. I'll give you the certificate.
Well, I don't have any money. Hello, Mom.
You can do that, okay? Coffee. You're not supposed
No, Mom, I told you to get my anal cream tomorrow, not today.
Yeah.
No, Mom, I told you to get my fucking anal cream tomorrow. Mom, I told you to get my fucking anal cream tomorrow. Oh my God. Yes, Mom. Hello. Yeah. No, I told you to cancel my anal inspection for tomorrow.
Why don't you go turn your camera off?
Mom, I told you to cancel my annual inspection for tomorrow. Mom. No, I told you to cancel it. Mom, no, I told you to cancel it. Well, you're not going to cancel my annual inspection tomorrow? God damn it. Okay. Mom, I told you to cancel my fucking anal inspection tomorrow. My God. What the fuck, Mom? I told you to fucking cancel it! Oh my God!